Hi everybody, and welcome to the second update for the National Pride group build. I'm afraid I don't have that many stats for you at the moment. I usually do all that sort of information gathering the weekend before I do an update, which you may have noticed are always done on Wednesdays. This weekend though I was away at a lodge retreat for the weekend in some rather interesting weather. We got flooded out and things, so I haven't really had time to do that. I'll try and get, I don't know, a pie chart or two or something like that up on the Facebook page in the next few days. What I can tell you is there's been a great response, and so far 17 finished entries. People whose work I will focus on this update. They're all YouTubers, so I've got a glut of YouTube channels linked below. The first one is Alex's Model Kits, also posts on Facebook. It's Alex Maunders. He's got his own YouTube channel, of course, and he's doing the 1/48 scale Airfix Blenheim 1F, the fighter version of the Blenheim. He started putting that together, no paint on it yet, but it started a little bit of work. That looks like it's going together well, and he talks about it a lot on his latest update. He also refers back to something from the Apollo group build, and of course there is the ever-present Mrs. Trellis, and if you watch his updates you'll get what that's about. So yeah, go and check out Alex's Model Kits and his work so far on the Bristol Blenheim. Andrew Taylor on Facebook is also Zone 5 Models on Facebook and on YouTube, and he's entering two models. The first one he's doing is a Meteor F8, the Airfix 1/48 version. He's doing the kit and all the photo etch, quite literally all the photo etch. It's quite an intricate looking build. There's photo etch everywhere, gear bays and everything, even metal work inside. That looks really good. So there's pictures on Facebook, and he does videos as well, so I'll put a link to his videos below. But thank you, Andrew, for that. Michael Campbell, also Coen's Scale Modelling on YouTube. Most people will be aware of Michael at some point. He's building a diorama with a couple of Shermans and a Sexton 2, I believe, in the Bocage in Normandy. He's built, I believe, the Sexton and maybe one of the Shermans. I need to catch up on his latest video, and he's built a diorama base. He's done an excellent series. He usually does a series on each build. He does each diorama to show you how he's done it. He's all about teaching people skills. So I'll put a link to his channel below, but if you're on YouTube you probably know who Coen is anyway. Michael of Starfish Scale Models is building a 1/72 Rebel Eurofighter Typhoon in Austrian colours, which means I believe he's got some aftermarket decals for it for a special scheme, an event scheme. That's looking great. He's also done, I believe, some, I don't know if it's photo etch or whatever in the cockpit, but it looks like a very, very good kit so far. Putting it together, he's pointing out all the little issues that are with the kit, which is quite useful for anyone else who wants to build it. And it's looking good so far. I'll put a link to his channel below. And then there's Slovakianlynx, an excellent plastic kit modeler, but recently he's been doing a lot of paper models. And these aren't the ones you cut out. These are generally scratch built from paper by him. It's an amazing skill. I wish I could do it. I can't. He built a very nice ship for the All at Sea group build, scratch built from paper, and he's doing a 1/100 scale steam locomotive, which will feature in the slideshow at the end. I can't remember the exact model of the locomotive off the top of my head, but that's looking great so far. He's got the boiler done and the firebox and some of the underpinnings, so that's looking great. I'll put a link to his channel below. So that's a few YouTube channels that are taking part. There are others, and I'll mention them along with other Facebook participants at some point during the build. I'd like to say thank you to everyone who's taken part. I hope if you've done work in the last 2 weeks it's featured in the slideshow. If not, I apologise again. As usual, I might have missed someone off. I hope not. That's it for now. I'd like to say until next time, thanks for watching, keep modelling and have fun. Bye.